Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, I guess. It's 2:25 in the afternoon. And this is not a tutorial video or anything like that because I don't know what I'm doing. I am making a doll. This is my doll. I'm working on her legs right now. My mother used to make dolls back, well, years and years ago. She had several businesses. She had a bookstore, a used bookstore. She made dolls. Let's see, what else did she do? She did a lot. She was a very busy lady. But anyway, I don't think I ever made a doll with her. And I kind of wish I did now because I made this pattern up. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm making a doll for a little girl for Christmas. And so I've got to go over to Walmart and get some fabric pins or something so I can draw the face on. My sister's getting a little bit angry with me about me wanting her to hand sew so much stuff. So I'm going to just hand draw the face onto it. I've got, this is, where is it? No, that's not it either. I got a dress cut out for this doll. I don't know where the dress is right now. This is the fabric for it. See, isn't it pretty? But I don't know right now. It's on this table somewhere, but my goodness, what a mess I've got. Anyway, after I get done with this doll, I have two people left to make Christmas presents for, and then the church, because I'm making pillows for the sanctuary in the church. This was my idea. I'm doing it. I've got my sister sewing the final little thing up after I stuff the pillow because I've got a little bit of arthritis in my hands. My hands are not as nimble as they used to be, and I just have trouble hand sewing. I can't crochet anymore, and crochet used to be one of my passions, but I just can't do it anymore. Anyway, so I just made the legs. This is the legs. They go here. I haven't turned this one yet. And somewhere around here are the feet. I've already got the feet made. I don't think the feet are big enough. I think I'm actually going to have to make the feet bigger. Oh, wait a minute. This might be the dress. This is the dress. It's a little A-line dress. I'm going to put some lace on it, I think. Maybe not. Because if I leave it without lace on it, the little girl's mother can throw it in the washing machine. If I put lace on it, I'm not so sure. So maybe I will just not put the lace on so the mother can throw it in the washer when it needs to go. I got so many in here, I can't get any more in. I have seam rippers in here. Seam rippers are incredibly important if you're going to sew. And I've seen comments on Facebook, there's my seam rippers, about I'm scared of the seam ripper. What is there to be scared of? Everybody makes mistakes. Rip it out, do it again. Don't be afraid of it. It's one of your tools. That one I don't get. This one, I lost the cap for it. I wish I could find it because seam rippers can be a bit There. I've got all 6 of them in there now. And I'll probably buy more, because sea nippers are cheap and they're very useful. So, I'm turning this leg. Oh, my grandson called me 5 o'clock this morning. Grandma, tell me what you want that's $50 or less for Christmas. And I said, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Why are you calling me now? Well, I just wanted to know what you wanted for Christmas. When have you ever bought me a Christmas present? So I'm going to tell him, I want a $50 gift card to either Walmart or Amazon. I don't really care. I'm going to buy myself something cool. Put $50 down on a sewing machine or something. I don't need any more fabric. I've got so much fabric. I've got it piled up over there. See it? Can you see that? Anyway, that's why I'm making pillows. It's kind of cut down on what I've got. Because I've got more than I need. And I got a lot of thank yous at church over the pillows. One lady walked up to us after church. I mean, she just almost ran over to us because we were sitting behind her, but on the other end of the pew. And she said, oh, thank you for the pillows. She said, my back has always hurt by the time church is over. And she said, it doesn't hurt today. And so it made me and my sister both feel good that it was actually helping somebody. You know, we do our best. Okay, so now I'm ready to press these 2 legs. And see if I can get the feet attached, and maybe I might have to make the feet bigger. This poor doll, she's such a mess. I mean, look how long her legs are, her arms are. She looks like a gorilla. I don't know. We'll see. I cut up an old pillowcase to make this. I need to shove that up into the neck. There. That'll do it. Okay. That's enough for today. I'm going to work on this doll. I'll come back afterwards and show you guys what it looks like. I'm not doing a tutorial because honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of trying to remember how my mother did it, and you know, she's been gone for a long time, and I can't go ask her. I can't go say, hey, what do I do now? I just have to kind of blunder through it, and maybe it works and maybe it doesn't. So I will be back later. Thank you.